What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler. Behind me is the sandworm, and today we're gonna be cleaning it, kind of washing all the grime and stuff on it. Got a lot of bird doo-doo across it from parking it under the tree. But we're washing it with my own line of products, Worm Spit. So we're gonna try this Grime Reaper first. It's a foam soap. And before you come at me about the foam, I'm using a garden hose foam cannon. So if you have a pressure washer, it's gonna foam up a whole lot more than what you'll see here. Use 4 to 6 ounces, mix it in. I'm gonna do a 1-to-1 ratio. I always do that because I like all the foam. So we're about to see how that does. And these are samples. So this is still in the pre-order stage. It is in production, so about a week from now, they'll be shipping out. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll give you 10% off. WormSpit10 is the code. I'll put it in the description below. So pre-order that and I'll be shipping those out next week. But for this wash video, we're gonna be using the foam soap, the ceramic exterior detailer after it dries off, and then we've got some wheel cleaner as well. I do have other products on the website, like some interior cleaner, leather cleaner, and just a few other things. So check that out. And then, you know, as I kind of see how well these do, I'll start adding more chemicals and things. So anyways, I'm gonna get the foam cannon set up, so let's roll the intro. Make sure you like and subscribe. So we're about to spray off the truck, but I wanted to add that my chemicals are tailored towards off-road vehicles. So the chemicals, all of them are made just a little bit stronger. The interior one's not as strong because most interiors don't get that dirty off-roading. The Bronco does, just due to the top coming off and the windows, the way they're set up. But yeah, all the exterior stuff is made a little bit stronger because sometimes that mud, if it sticks on there a while, it leaves a residue on the clear coat. So it's made to get all that stuff off. So definitely check that out. And like I said, 10% off your order. And the first 10 that pre-order are getting entered to win a whole exterior cleaning kit. So buy one bottle of something and you enter to win, you know, over $100 worth of chemicals. So check that out. But now we're gonna hose this off. Now try to remember, I'm using a garden hose setup, so it's not gonna foam as much if you don't have a pressure washer. So I didn't record it, but what I just finished spraying the truck with is a hydrophobic coat spray. So pretty much after you foam cannon the truck, wipe it off, clean it off, you refill your foam canning with this stuff, spray it on, rinse it off, and what it does is, like your windshield, your paint, water just beads right off of it. So it just makes it easier to clean next time, and it just adds an extra layer of protection to the paint. So that's going to be on the next pre-order. Don't have a name for it yet, so I can't tell you what it is. So here's with the foam spray. You can see the water starting to bead up already, and then you've got the windshield beaded up, and this is with that Secret Next pre-order also sprayed on here. The foam spray is still going to be pretty good without that, so no need to worry about that, especially because you're going to apply this after everything's dry. And it says quick detailer because, yes, while it is a quick detailer, you know, for if you're going to a car show or a car meet, you can use this, spray it on there, use a microfiber towel and quickly detail any little blemishes or dirt spots. This is also good to spray down the whole truck with it after, because it does have that ceramic in it, so it'll give it a nice little water bead, just like that. Nice little protection, make it a little bit easier to wash it off next time after the trails. If you power wash it, then everything will power wash right off. So we're gonna do this next once this gets all dried off, and then we'll do the wheels. Okay, so I kind of mentioned it a little bit in the beginning, but this is a waterless quick detailer, so you don't have to, you know, rinse the truck off or anything. But I like to add this after I wash the truck because it does have that ceramic chemical in it, so it adds just a little bit extra, you know, shine, protection. It makes it easier to clean next time. So it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I have some water spots just because I used the garden hose and didn't dry off the towel. This ceramic coating spray takes all those off. So little wipe, a little bit of spray, little wipe, and no more water spots whatsoever. I really wish I would have showed you guys the paint before, but I mean, look at that. That is with that ceramic exterior quick detailing. It looks like it's been completely buffed out. Like, you don't even see the pinstriping that I have. I don't even think the pinstriping exists anymore. Like, check that out. Okay, so now we're going to use the wheel cleaner. We're going to do this wheel. I'll probably just do this wheel. I'm feeling lazy today. It's super hot out. The truck's already shiny. So we're going to do this wheel, knock it out real quick, and I'll show you guys how good this stuff is. Get you guys a little closer here so you can kind of see the wheel. I mean, it doesn't show up that great on camera, but it's pretty dirty. But we're going to use the Wilderness wheel cleaner, worm spit, and we're just going to clean it how I always clean it, and kind of just spray the whole thing and start wiping it down. And this has like a vanilla scent to it. It smells really good. And if you're wondering, the scent that are in these chemicals don't mess the chemicals up at all. Like, it's not gonna leave streaks or anything. It still cleans exactly how it's supposed to and designed to. And it's definitely good for these off-road wheels. And I will say I used it on the Bronco wheels, and these are a flat black. The Bronco wheels have a gloss black, and that wheel cleaner doesn't leave streaks on the gloss black. I've always had troubles in the past with glossy black wheels, with streaks and things like that. This stuff, no struggles at all. And I'm not just saying that because it's my brand. Like, that is 100% the truth. There's no streaks or anything that's left over from this stuff. These chemicals are like perfected. And I wouldn't be using these. These are the sample products. So these are like the test run. So if I didn't feel like they were good, I wouldn't be using them. So this video is to show you guys they are safe and I'm comfortable using them on my vehicles. They've been tested. They've been tweaked to be a little bit stronger for off-road vehicles. They are safe to use. And even that like ceramic exterior quick detailer, you can use that on the wheels if you wanted to. If you just wanted to buy a bottle of that, you can do your paint, your wheels with that. It's just the wheel cleaner has a little extra pizzazz in there, a little extra strength for the muddy wheels. Yeah, these wheels were a whole lot dirtier than I thought. And when I show you this close-up of the wheels, mind your business, because I do trail this truck and there are scratches. So some of the streaks you see aren't streaks, they're just scratches. But yeah, that looks awesome. Way better than before. And I missed a spot. User error right there. But way better before. I'm gonna show you a close-up of the paint and the wheels again, and then that'll be about it for the video. Like I said, I will link this stuff in the description below. If you want to purchase it, use the code WORMSPIT15. I think I said 10, but WORMSPIT15 for 15% off, not 10% off. And buy you something. And the first 10 to purchase are entered to win a whole exterior detail kit. So actually, you know what, I'll just do a whole kit. So you get exterior and interior. So you get leather cleaner, the interior cleaner, the wheel, the soap, the paint stuff, and then the black ice scent. That's the only scent I have right now. I will add more later, but this is my first run, so we'll see what you guys like, and we'll change as needed. So I'll show you some close-ups, and that'll be about the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.